Hello everyone, Hatem for Objection, back again with the news as we always never promised. Today I came to you with a brand new video. I want to talk about the 3 steps how to ride a monowheel with no suffering. I'm going to give you the conclusion for 2 years riding monowheels in my life, and I will give you the just 3 steps that you can do it. It's going to be so easy guiding for you to start riding a monowheel just within 1 day. Okay guys, I'm going to make it for you quick and super easy, okay? I chose for you the most nice roads here in Ukraine because we have garbage roads, so I can test it for you. I'm gonna show you now the 3 steps. Look, they are just 3 steps. Number 1, you should put your legs in the middle of battalion here. Don't put it like this, far away. Don't put it like this, too much closer. This is what bothering you. You should put it in the middle, okay? Don't put it far away here. I'm gonna show you now. Don't put it far away like this. Put it closer, like this. And put it in the middle. This is step number 1. Step number 2, how you're gonna hold this white by your body and balance it. You need by your leg here from the side, okay? By your leg here from the side, you put it here to balance it. You understand me? So you put your leg like this and you hold by your body. See? You hold by your leg. See, I can control it now. Don't put your legs far away. See? Don't let it be like this. You will not be able to control, especially when you are a beginner. So the step number 1, put your legs. Step number 2, hold by this side here. That's why they create for you this rubber here, that your feet will be closer like this. Number 3, and this is the last thing, don't stand like this. No, when you learn in the beginning, just don't stand like this. This will be tired. You have to push a little bit by your leg and then go. I'm gonna show you now. If you stand like this, this is gonna be hard for you controlling. So you have to push. You have to push and do like this. Now. So again, I'm gonna show you again. I'm professional. I ride for 2 years, so I can stand in my place. But this is gonna be hard for you. What you do? Now you hold by your leg and push and go. See? That's all the 3 steps. You don't need, you need to learn about this. You need to learn about these 3 steps. That's all you have to do. The others, it will come by riding, by experience. I shower and I come back. So guys, this is the fastest way to learn riding monowheel within 1 day. As I say, you need to react about these 3 steps, only these 3 steps. Don't focus about any other steps, because any other steps is gonna be extra. How to lean, right and left, how to turn, how to curve, this is all later. Just the first beginner steps that you should learn and focus about them. This is the 3 steps that I give you. If you make them nice, the rest you're gonna learn it automatically. So guys, all I want just to share this, it's maybe help someone to ride monowheel easy. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and put thumbs up. I will see you in another video with Hatem for Objection. I always have news, I always have new things. Don't miss any one of them. Peace.